listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81, serving Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KZZ 81, serving Chicago, the west and south suburbs, and northwest Indiana. The current time is 8:09 a.m. Central Daylight Time. The following is a wind advisory from the National Weather Service, which includes the following counties in Illinois: Central Cook, DuPage, Eastern Will, Grundy, Kane, Kankakee, Kendall, Lake, Northern Cook, Northern Will, Southern Cook and Southern Will, and Lake, Indiana. What? South winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts of 45 to 50 miles per hour expected. Where? All of northern Illinois and portions of northwest Indiana. When? From noon today to 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts: gusty winds could blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Use extra caution when driving, especially if operating a high-profile vehicle. Secure outdoor objects. Now here is the hazardous